AAP chief Kejriwal's comment on the Yamuna yesterday.
इसके अंदर उन्होंने ऐसा जहर मिला के भेजा है जिसका दिल्ली में जो वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स हैं उसमें भी उसकी सफाई नहीं हो सकती।
इस सरासर झूठे और घटिया बयान के लिए वो हरियाणा और दिल्ली की जनता से तुरंत माफी मांगे, वरना हम उसके खिलाफ मानहानि का दावा करेंगे।
While the Delhi Chief Minister wrote to the Election Commission on what she called water terrorism and an attempt by the BJP to influence the Delhi elections, the BJP too sent a delegation to the poll panel to complain about AAP's comments.
पंजाब के मुख्यमंत्री भगवंत मान जी और मेरी पूरी इलेक्शन कमीशन से चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर, बाकी जो 2 इलेक्शन कमिश्नर्स हैं, फुल कमीशन से मुलाकात हुई। दिल्ली में पानी के मुद्दे पर लंबी चर्चा हुई। हमने इलेक्शन कमीशन को बताया कि किस तरह से यमुना में पानी जो हरियाणा से आ रहा है उसमें अमोनिया का लेवल जहरीले लेवल्स तक पहुंच गया है।
A self-proclaimed anarchist can easily make such statements to agitate the minds of the public. But is this fair or is this good for our democracy? We requested the Election Commission to take firm action, such an action that should prevent Sri Kejriwal from campaigning in Delhi anymore. And this is a kind of singularly exemplar step that the Election Commission should take. Otherwise, there is no way in which people are going to have some respect for the Election Commission.
Meanwhile, Delhi Chief Minister also rubbished the Delhi Jal Board's letter to the LG yesterday, stating that ammonia levels are always high at this time of the year.
दिल्ली जल बोर्ड की सीईओ ने भी जो चिट्ठी लिखी है वो बिल्कुल साफ साफ वो पत्र दिखा देता है कि दिल्ली के वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स 1 ppm 2 ppm तक का अमोनिया ट्रीट कर सकते हैं। तो पिछले कुछ दिनों से 5.5, 5.6, 5.8, 6.4, 6.8, 7.2 ये दिल्ली जल बोर्ड की सीईओ द्वारा दिए गए आंकड़े हैं।
Congress too jumped into the water wars today.
I think it's far more serious than anybody's taking. If that is the case, now either the Haryana government should be behind bars or Arvind Kejriwal and Atishi should be behind bars. In public, when you make such a serious allegation, I frankly don't know why Delhi police is quiet about it or Haryana police.
Bureau Report, NDTV.
Well, let's go across to Aishwarya now for more. And Aishwarya, somebody who's covered the Yamuna River and the water quality for years now. I'm happy that the focus is on the river. However, the politics is quite sensational with AAP's claims. The BJP now going to the Election Commission asking Arvind Kejriwal to be barred from campaigning for spreading such lies and creating fear.
Well, that's the massive demand by the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, Finance Minister of the country was leading the delegation of the Bharatiya Janata Party, which went to Election Commission and demanded Arvind Kejriwal to be barred from campaigning. And if he makes such comments, which clearly indicates to instigate one government, then certainly he should be barred. But a bit of political dispute had erupted over the pollution of the Yamuna River. It all started with the sharp accusations from both Bharatiya Janata Party and the Aam Aadmi Party. Yesterday, it began from Arvind Kejriwal and Bhagwant Mann accusing the Haryana BJP government of polluting the Yamuna. Today, we saw how it was all the Haryana leaders from the Bharatiya Janata Party addressed the media and also hinted that they can even file defamation and sue him in the court because these are absolutely false statements, derogatory remarks that have been made against the Haryana government. Haryana Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini was in the national capital itself. How far this will go, because Chief Minister of Delhi had claimed that the ammonia levels of Yamuna River is at such a level which the treatment plants cannot afford to make it clean. And if this is true and if this is correct, then certainly some actions to be needs to be taken. But now all eyes will be on Election Commission whether they will be taking any further step in it.